Welcome to the presentation on the minor in business economics enrollment information for the academic year 2020 to 2021. The agenda for this presentation is as follows. We'll talk about the course requirements for the minor, and then we'll talk about common issues with regards to statistics courses, AP credit, and registering for Intro to Accounting and Finance. Finally, we'll provide you with information so that you can reach out to us with questions. In terms of the required courses for the minor, there's 5. Principles of Micro and Macro, a statistics course, for example, Stats for Econ, Econ 3330, or Psych Stats, Biostats, amongst others. And then finally, Intro to Accounting and Intro to Finance. Starting this year, we've redesigned Statistics for Economics. What was formerly known as Econ 30330 is now Econ 30340. Also, what was formerly a 3 credit hour class is now a 4 credit hour class. This is to reflect the inclusion of a 50-minute tutorial on Friday, which is labeled under the heading Econ 32340. So when students enroll in Statistics for Economics now, you'll need to enroll in both Econ 30340, which is Stats for Econ, and also what's shown below, which are sections of the Stats for Economics tutorial, Econ 32340. There's some issues related to the taking of non-economic stats classes that are worth mentioning. So if you take econ stats, that will count as the business econ credit. That's fine. If your major requires for you to take a stats class, not econ stats, so not econ 30330 or econ 30340, you can either do one of the following things. So you can count the non-econ stats course towards your major and take an additional econ elective. So for example, if you're a psych major and a business econ minor, you could use psych stats towards your major, and instead of taking an additional stats class to satisfy the business econ minor, you can just take an additional econ elective so that you're still satisfying the 5 course requirement. Or you could take an additional elective in your major and count the non-econ stats course towards your minor. So continuing the example of a psych major and a business econ minor, if you choose to, you can use psych stats towards the minor and take an additional psych elective instead. So both of those are viable options. Also, if you have credit for a non-econ stats course and are not using it for major or other minor credit, this can also replace credit for econ 30330/30340 econ stats. So continue with the psych example. Suppose you took psych stats as a psych major, and decided you no longer wanted to be a psych major, but you still had course credit for psych stats that wasn't being used for something else. This would work fine as being counting towards the business econ minor. In terms of AP credit, if you have AP credit for any of the required courses in the minor, you don't need to retake these classes, but you must take an additional elective to replace them. And again, as mentioned in the previous slide, it's just got to be the case that the total number of courses for the minor is equal to 5. In terms of registering for accounting and finance, there can be common issues associated with this. The reason for this is because you won't be registering under the ACCT or FIN headings. You'll be enrolling under Business Administration-A&L. So the course numbers for the declared business econ minors are BAAL 20100 for accountancy and BAAL 20150 for corporate finance. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to any of the following econ advisors.